It has just been leaked what processor could have the next Huawei Nova 12 Ultra. According to a screenshot of the device info HW application, this processor would be the Kirin 9000S, that is, an ultra-powerful processor that would finally reach the mid-range. Recalling more or less what happened at the time with another Nova series device that incorporated the Kirin 980 processor, which Huawei used exclusively for the high-end. In this case specifically, it is the Mate 60 Pro that uses this processor. However, it seems that the processor that would incorporate the Nova 12 Ultra would have some small adjustments, especially in the architecture, where we would find a different distribution of clusters, since the maximum power core would have slightly lower frequency in the case of the Nova series device, leaving the maximum power exclusively for the highest model of Huawei. But remember that leak is not presentation, so we will have to wait a little longer for its official launch, which it is said could be before the end of this year in China, and then make its global debut in 2024.